Station in Oklahoma City, live now with a look at that devastation.
Yeah, right behind me, this motel is the center of the destruction. And if you just take a look, you can see sidings from this building completely missing, the roof just blown off. And amazingly, a dumpster that was thrown into the middle of that motel. But what's incredible, I want you to take a look at the end of the motel. All the way on the side, you can see a picture still hanging on the wall, just untouched. Now, as you continue to pan left, you can see the destruction path from that EF3 tornado moving into a mobile home park, just completely demolishing the trailers behind. A very scary night for residents here. We talked to some of them who were able to get up close to the damage, saying trailers and cars are flipped over and much of that park is just left in pieces. Now, we talked to a woman who described to us what it was like as she heard that tornado getting closer and closer to her home. Just take a listen.
Well, we were looking out the window and we heard the whistling of the tornado and felt the trailer shake. So we knew we were there.
Now, that woman's home was miraculously untouched, but other families were not so lucky. We talked to a woman named Tweety Garrison. She says she actually had to crawl out of her trailer to get out last night after that tornado touched down. She says, again, trailers in her mobile home park landed on top of each other, and actually tells us that her home is in what first responders are calling the danger zone. She says she has no idea if she's going to be able to get back in, and has been left without her medication and tons of medication for people that she cares for. Now, 2 people have died and more than 24 injuries have been reported. Just a devastating scene here, but an amazing view. We were able to put our drone up into the air, and you can actually see farther back in that trailer park the path that tornado took, tearing through these trailers. Again, just an unbelievable sight here, but this community is coming together and they are trying to stay in high spirits. In El Reno, I'm Erica Stanish.
Erica, thank you very much. Just seeing some of that video, it's just scary because it'll rip through one part and just completely avoid the other. You just,
and there's nothing you can do. You can't stop it.
You're right.
Like, you're
right.
lucky you have warning. You get to your safety. You have your health, your life. But I mean, your belongings. It's rough. So
absolutely. And back here at home,
we have a couple warnings right now. Not tornado warnings. We're going to probably see more severe thunderstorm warnings, which can be intense with high winds. That's kind of the concern. 60-plus-mile-an-hour winds. Some hail potentially. Heavier downpours. Let's look around the region right now. This is our shot from up in Gaithersburg, Germantown area. 84, a little shower pushed through earlier. We've had temperatures go from the 90s, slip into the 70s with a brief passing shower, and then rebound a bit. Pretty muggy out there. Our vantage point from Dulles, kind of looking off to the west-northwest, watching for the next batch of weather. It is currently 86 with a mostly cloudy sky right now at Dulles International Airport. And you can see a fair amount of clouds. 80 in the city. We dropped from 92 to 78 briefly, back to 80 with a little shower out in Winchester, 77, 83 in Quantico. So let's talk about what we're dealing with tonight. Now through midnight, some more showers and storms will start to fire off. There hasn't been as many through the afternoon, but I do think they may pick up in their coverage tonight. Heavy rains and high winds, hail as well, a threat. That's what most of these severe thunderstorm warnings have had in common, the last few that have come out. The tornado warning, the tornado threat is less for later tonight. Let's talk about this warning right here. And just as quickly as it could become severe with the potential of a warning, they've already dropped the warning for the cell east of town from Dunkirk to Chesapeake Beach to Shadyside. We can get a little bit closer here and see some of those areas from Mount Harmony over towards the beach and then northward right there along that Calvert-Anne Arundel County line. There's 260 running right through here, but they'll have some intensity, but then some of them fizzling out. So that warning has been allowed to expire. Meanwhile, we still have a warning for portions of Fauquier County and Culpeper County until 7:30. There's 2 clusters here. The one up at 28 and 29, the split there from east of Warrenton, that looks a little bit more intense, but some lightning bolts now showing up for that cell right there at the top of Culpeper, 229, heading up over towards Sperryville and Amosville. So that is just 2 areas that we're watching locally. And then meanwhile, out here to the west, we've seen a lot of active weather. In fact, they've had a severe thunderstorm watch for many portions of West Virginia. As this energy drives eastward, we're watching to see how well it holds together as it moves overhead for us, and that's kind of the determining factor for storms tonight. So the next couple of hours, very sporadic showers here, but 9, 10 o'clock, right as that concert's wrapping up, a broken line of hefty, strong to severe storms could push through about midnight. So all those folks out on the mall, keep a close eye to the sky. I think some storms could develop near the tail end, so we'll just have to watch that so carefully. Quick peek at tomorrow shows that we're off to a pretty decent day temperature-wise, low to mid 80s, just an isolated sprinkle or shower, nothing widespread tomorrow, nothing severe, and then it's all about the high heat We're in the 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll step away for just a moment, but we'll have sports and Scott after this.
The Sheehy 8000 is back. We're selling 8,000 vehicles in just 50 days. Plus, we're donating to the American Heart Association. And get your best price fast and upfront with Easy Price.
It's easy at Sheehy.com.
Aladdin Carpet and Floors. Upgrade your home and get interest-free financing for 12 months on carpet, hardwood, tile, luxury vinyl, laminate, and more.
ALA double DIM. AladdinCarpet.com. Country roads take me